Hi guys, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this blue, green, and white Earth Day Smooshy. If you like nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures. And if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean, dry nails, I'm going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Ready for Takeoff, which is a peel-off base. And you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The polishes that I'm using today are all from Zoya. The blue is Song, the green is Holly, and the white is Purity. And I'll be doing my smooshing with all three of those colors. I'll be using Purity as my base, and once I get that applied, I'm also going to go ahead and protect around my nails with Simply Peel. For the smooshing, I'm going to be using my Moyu London Crystal Clear stamper. And I didn't want the white to get lost, so I'm actually using more white than either the blue or the green. And I'm just going to lay it out. I usually use like kind of a 9-dot pattern. Going to be doing 5 of white, 2 of blue, and 2 of green. And we'll see if this it's enough for 1 or possibly 2 nails. So get that all on there. Then we're just gonna smoosh, 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 and maybe 1 more smoosh, like that. And I do have quite a bit left on here, but it's kind of starting to blend together. And like I said, I want the white to still be noticeably white, not light blue or light green. So off to the side here, I've got a paper towel. I'm gonna remove some of it, and then a little mini lint roller to, remove the rest. And I'm also gonna go ahead and, with an orange stick, clean up a little bit of the excess that's around the edges before I remove the Simply Peel. And then, after I do all my nails, I'll go back and do a regular cleanup a little bit closer in. Yeah, that's a lot of polish. I'm going to try and use slightly less on the next one, since I'm only going to be doing 1 nail per smoosh, or per stamper. And it's not necessarily bad to have too much extra, but it just depends on how much control you want over your design. Like when you start pulling off some of the extra polish, the design is going to shift a little. So just be aware of that as you go. Finally, I'm going to finish off with the top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I'm really pleased with how this turned out. Even on my right hand, which I kind of lazied out and did start smooshing 2 nails at a time, can see I still got a pretty similar look to how my left hand turned out. Even though neither one of these really look exactly like my tests, which is not uncommon for a smooshie, since my polished sketchbook is obviously flat and my nails are curved, the design tends to drift a little more on the nails than in the sketchbook. But I did want to show you guys a couple of my tests in any case. These over here, I decided not to go with this lighter blue and lighter green. And then of these, this area was with equal amounts of the 3 colors. And this is with the combination that I ended up going with heavier on the white than the green or blue. And you can see my nails turned out similarly, but not the same. And if you're looking at this lovely purple smooshie, that was what I was planning on doing until I remembered that it was Earth Day. But I really like how this turned out. So there will probably be a tutorial for that coming up soon. If you guys are looking to stock up on your own Zoya nail polishes, their Earth Day sale is going on through the end of the month. If you want to check that out, you can head over to their website, artofbeauty.com, and basically you can get 50% off. There are details there on the site. You can see the code that you need to use and all that good information. And I think it's really nice that the past couple years the sale has been longer than just around Earth Day. Like this year it was the entire month of April pretty much. Only downside is they have a new collection that comes out like the day after the sale is over. So that's a little frustrating, but I'll just have to place another order down the line because I think their summer colors are gorgeous. A little update on my live streaming. I was semi-planning on this coming up Saturday, but I ordered a few pieces of equipment and a couple still have not arrived. And while they're scheduled to be delivered before then, I don't want to make plans and then have them be late or something. So at the moment, I'm tentatively looking at the following Saturday, May 5th, to be my first live stream. It's not set in stone yet, but if you want to keep that date in mind, I'll have another video once I do actually finalize it with the exact date, the exact time, and some more details that I hope will be helpful for you guys that are not super familiar with Twitch. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful Earth Day. I certainly am because it's finally warm in Minnesota. I hope you enjoyed this manicure, and as always, thanks for watching.